we woke up different in the sense that something that has been rumored for so long may be coming out slowly, tiptoeing towards the 2026. What will we have? What will we get? These are the questions. Why did I say we woke up different? Reason being, at exactly 12:56 a.m., which is on the 3rd of August, that is today, 2024, meaning in the night, Minister Aber Lillian took it to her X account, formerly known as Twitter, with only 9 words to reveal something. And that is the future of the presidency of Uganda. Aber Lillian chose only 9 words, and that is, my next president of the Republic of Uganda, M. Kenerugaba. Next president, meaning the current president is General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, and the next president is his son, Muhoozi Kainerugaba. This development does not surprise many people because the closeness of Aber Lillian and the tight relationship between Aber Lillian and PLU and the leader Muhoozi has been something which is not hidden. Aber Lillian is close to Muhoozi and has pledged all her support to Muhoozi, loyalty to Muhoozi, and always eulogizing Muhoozi in several occasions. Now, this is something that draws people closer to what seems to be the transition agenda of the country. Many people have reacted to the tweet. Over 7,800 people have viewed it, and we have not gone through the reaction of many people. But the question is, should we take it as just a normal tweet? Should we take it as just something that we should ignore? The answer is no. We cannot ignore, because Aber Lillian has proven to be one of the people that delivers tips on the next move by the Patriotic League of Uganda. This is something that I think me and you needs to consider as something which is true. And I must say, we're most likely to see General Muhoozi in the ballot in the year 2026, contesting to become the next president of the Republic of Uganda, as Aber Lillian said. So this, to me, is a tip of an iceberg to you who is watching this video. We don't know what will happen next. We don't know when Muhoozi will declare his interest. The questions that will start running over people's mind: how will Bobby Wine and other positions react? And also, how will President Museveni do it? Will he step down, or will he contest together with the son? Will he quit not to be in the ballot and leave it for the son? Or how will it happen? Will it be a faked coup d'etat? So these are the most intriguing questions that should be running over our minds right now. Thank you so much. We're going to keep a close watch. Nice time.